Hi, are you facing problems in watching movies? Uh, yeah, you want to get free movies to watch, right? In Tubi website, because you are not in US, you can't watch it for free. Quite a lot of websites like this, Fandango, Roku, Peacock, Pluto TV. All this is because you are not in the country, you're not from US. And they will say that, oh, your country is not available in your region and all that. So how to fix the problem of not able to watch free movies and TVs streamings? Today I'll teach you how to overcome this. First of all, you need to go to Google and then search for VPN. VPN, it's VEEPN. This one. Okay, click the first one. Free VPN for Chrome. Google Chrome, go to Google Chrome, must be in Chrome, because I find in Firefox it's not working that well for the extension. Install this extension, Chrome extension, free VPN for Chrome, VPN Proxy. It's very good. Okay, you see I have 13 million users. Okay, I've already installed it, and then I actually bookmark it over here under extension. Once you install, okay, go to the extension sections. Okay, over the extension settings over here. Make sure this is turned on, and then pin it. Manage the extension. You go and pin it to the top. Okay, you pin it to the top. Okay, pin it to the top. Okay, yeah, basically that. So once you add, and then once you add, right, let me just turn on this. Okay, you can choose the countries lah. See, free locations there. So right now we have US, France, Netherlands, Russia, Singapore, UK for the free VPN. So I just chose this. Okay, Oregon, US. Okay, now I am in US. Okay. So basically, we'll go into US server, and and then you just refresh your internet. Instead of just go PR, right? Just go to Tubi.tv again. Tubi.tv. When I first go to Tubi TV, they will come into just on that page, because I am in other country. So now when TubiTV.com, you will see all this. It will start showing. If not, it will divert you to just on that page. And now you can actually watch free movies. Free TVs, all completely for free. See? TV, movie, classic movies and all that, all completely for free. Let me show you that is it working. Men in Black. Okay. Okay, it's working. Okay, it's working. So let me just check. See? It's working. Now you can watch free movies completely for free. Free TV shows as well. See, all the movies, TV shows completely for free. Then you can see live TV. Live TV. You can watch live TV for free. Yay! Isn't that good? See? Live now. You're watching live now. NFL. Throwback. Live now. It's live now, okay? Free movies, free TV shows, free live TV. Tubi.tv. Just by installing the extension, the VeePN extension. Okay, now let's go to another website. Okay, let me just close this. Tubi TV. Okay, now let's do this one, region error. Okay, this one I just show you the region error. Let's go to Fandango.go and see whether you divert me back to this region error, the service not available error. Oh yes, it didn't divert. Now I can watch all this for free. All the free movies. See, all these movies. Okay, you can go there. This one is loading lah. It will take some time to load. And then same for Roku. Roku. Okay, I need to go to this URL, refresh, go to the homepage URL, and see whether it will divert me to the channel. It says that, oh, you're not in the region. Oh, yes. But first they will tell you, oh, to create account and all that. Pop up. Okay. Now I can watch all this thing for free. Live TV also have. All this. Isn't that great? Isn't that great? All this for free. Live TV, Roku channel. Okay, now Peacock. I need to remove this if they're unavailable and then refresh my homepage and see whether it will divert me. Yes. Okay. It's now showing the rightful page. I just have the loading will take a while. Let me close the others first. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this one is talking about subscription model, but sometimes you can actually try the free one. Okay, but if Peacock still require the subscription, then you go to the other website to go. Okay, Peacock. Let's then. Okay, now Pluto TV. Let's close this. Change the URL. Okay, let me just go to Google. Pluto TV. Okay, see whether is it diverting me to says that I'm in a different region. No, it didn't divert because I'm in US now, the region. So I can watch live TV. Okay, and there's also movie session. And all that. So basically, it's working. Yeah, now this is showing live. You can see stream free movies, TVs, and all those things. You need to sign out, log in first lah. As long as you are in the US server, you just sign up, should be okay. Okay, that's Pluto TV. Basically, install this free VPN for Chrome. Okay, VPN Proxy VeePN for Chrome. Install it, and then you can access and watch free movie completely for free. Free movies, free live TV shows. Yeah, all the good old movies also have, and new movies and all these things, and TV dramas, all for free. You can go to all the websites I just show you just now. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips to share with others as well. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.